No one can serve two masters. Now, Tonkale, I'd like to deepen the meaning of this ideal. No one can serve two masters. Individually, you are a being who is really here to breathe. The other two, in breathing as a being who dwells here on the surface of one of tiny rocks floating here in the solar system, in one of the galaxies in the universe. Would you like to live just simply? Would you like to eat for living simply? Otherwise, you have a very constructive idea. You'd like to live according to humanitarian ideas. As one of human beings, you're privileged to eat for living as one of human beings. I'd like to deepen the meaning of this matter. You are eating every day to have energy enough to be a human being. You are not wild animals. Individually, you are a being who received intellect supernaturally. Listen to a voice coming from somewhere. Still typical people do not imagine why you have thinking ability. Every day you are eating to have energy enough for you to think of necessary matters as a being who possesses intellect inherently given. No one can serve two masters. So, talking of the first one, you'd like to live beautifully, you'd like to live as one of human beings, in order to carry out righteousness. On the other hand, there is that second idea. Some people are ugly and greedy. It is ugly for human beings to live in order to realize great. It is awful to live in order to realize unnecessary great. That is alright. You work hard in order to obtain some sort of treasure. People work for living every day. But is it really right? Is it really right interpretation for you to think of the following? You're working just simply to get your treasure. Nobody can serve two masters. My suggestion tonight shall be the one which you need. Live well. Live according to righteousness. Use full energy for you to take action according to humanitarian ways. This is the way for you to live based upon the idea of philanthropy. This is the idea for you to love all of human beings. Like the idea of United Nations. The lecture shall be finished now.